Imagine this for a second. You're having a really tough day, maybe feeling anxious, and you reach out to a chatbot for comfort. And it actually listens. It seems to understand and offers real support. I know, it sounds like something straight out of a movie, but this is fast becoming a reality for millions of people. So let's dive in and really explore this new world of AI companions. I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? That deep human need for connection. Just wanting someone to listen, without jumping in with advice or judgment. It's something we all feel, especially when we're lonely or stressed and just need to vent. And that exact need is where this new technology is starting to step in. Now, we're not talking about your basic virtual assistant that can tell you the weather. No, this is something else entirely. We're talking about a new kind of companion, one that's powered by AI and designed specifically for real conversation and emotional support. So what's really driving this? Well, it turns out these AI companions are being built to tackle that timeless need for connection we were just talking about. This is especially true in places where, getting traditional mental health support can be really tough. You can almost think of them as a new kind of first response team for our emotional well-being. Okay, so let's get specific. What exactly is an AI companion? It's so much more than just a clever bit of code. We're talking about a really sophisticated chatbot that's been trained on huge amounts of therapeutic materials. Its whole purpose isn't just to spit out information, but to offer a personalized, supportive conversation that, honestly, it can feel surprisingly human. But that brings up the big question, right? How on earth can a machine listen or show empathy? It sounds incredibly complex, but the basic idea behind how it works is actually pretty straightforward. It really breaks down into about 3 steps. So first, you just share what's on your mind, your thoughts, your feelings. Then, these really advanced algorithms kick in. They analyze not just the words you're using, but the emotion behind them. And finally, based on that analysis, the AI crafts a response, maybe with tailored support, or some thoughtful questions, or even some tried-and-true coping strategies. And, this isn't just a concept anymore. This technology is already out there, making a real impact. For a lot of people, this is way more than a novelty. It's become a genuine lifeline. This is where we start to see the incredible promise of what AI companions could be, filling a really critical gap in care for so many. And the benefits people are reporting are pretty powerful. For one, they can help reduce that feeling of isolation. They can provide immediate support if someone's in crisis, and they can even help you practice ways to manage everyday stress and anxiety. But maybe the biggest thing is that they offer conversation completely free of judgment. And here's a really powerful feature, maybe one of the biggest. They're always available. We're talking 24/7. So unlike traditional support systems, the AI is there for you whenever you need it. Whether it's 3 in the morning and you can't sleep, or in the middle of a stressful afternoon, that support is always just a message away. Okay, but of course, with a tool this powerful, we have to pump the brakes a little and ask some really critical questions, because as helpful as this can be, there are some undeniable risks and really important ethical things we need to think about. And this is really the bottom line here. Experts are crystal clear on this point. Even though these AI companions can offer valuable support, they are a tool. They are not a cure. They are not and really should not be seen as a replacement for a trained, qualified human therapist. So you can see it's really a double-edged sword. On the one hand, you have this incredible promise, right? Accessibility, privacy, that 24/7 support. But on the other hand, you have some serious perils, huge questions about data privacy, the risk of becoming too reliant on them, and, real questions about the quality of care an algorithm can truly provide. So where do we go from here? I mean, this technology is moving forward at a breathtaking pace. And the conversation is really shifting now to, how can we do this right? How can we integrate this technology into our lives and into our healthcare systems responsibly? Right now, the consensus among most experts seems to be pretty clear. The goal isn't for AI to replace human connection, it's to enhance it. The ideal future, it seems, is one where AI companions work as a powerful tool alongside human professionals, as part of a much bigger, more comprehensive support system. And all of this leaves us with a final and pretty profound question to think about. As this technology gets more and more sophisticated, as it learns to perfectly mirror what empathy and understanding look like, can an algorithm ever truly care? Or is that something that will always be uniquely and irreplaceably human? So what do you think? Can an algorithm ever truly care? Or is that something that's just for us humans? We'd love to hear your thoughts. The world of AI is evolving so fast, so if you want to stay on top of the conversation, make sure you subscribe for more insights.